Banhyou Vietnamese street food is located in Sydney, Australia, close to the harbor. It's a little stand on the street, takeout only, there's no place to eat there. The menu is all over the stand. You get in line and order. I ordered the banh mi sandwich. They started with a fresh French roll, a little mayo, pate, avocado, pork, fresh greens, cucumbers, onions, lettuce, carrots, hot chilies, and a little seasoning. They jammed it all into the bun and into the bag. This banh mi was a little different than the traditional one, but very good. Now that's a sandwich. A big bite. Need to get it in my mouth. It was good. Banhyou was a good take on Vietnamese street food. We gave them 5 stars. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.